Hi friends and welcome to Hive tutorial. Today we are going to perform certain queries on Hive. For this we are going to use Cloudera VM provided by USF. As you can see, the first step is downloading the data. The same thing I have done in my virtual machine. When you go in file browser, here you can see I have already downloaded drivers and timesheet.csv. Here we have used Hive as a query editor, and in Hive we'll go on Hive query editor. This is the interface for Hive query editor. You can see here is the space to write the query. This is the play button from where you will execute the query and the output of the query will be shown. Here are all the tables that are present in this system right now. Now the objective of this tutorial is to create some Hive queries, run it, and be familiar with Hive environment. So the second step is uploading data files. For that we have to click on file browser and upload our files. As you can see, I have already uploaded both our files. Step 3 is starting the Hive view. As you can see, I have already started the Hive view. You can go to query editor and click on Hive. Here we can execute the query, save the query. We can also open a new worksheet for the saved query. So first we'll create a table called as temp drivers. This is the composition area where we'll write the query and we'll hit the execute button after that. So here is our create table command. Table name is temp driver, and now we'll click on execute. And in query history shows that table is created, and when you refresh the tables icon, you'll see that temp driver table is created. If you click to view the sample, we'll see that no data is being selected because we have not put any data yet. Now let's put some data in this. So as you can see over here, Hive is pretty interactive. Whatever you write over here is being reflected pretty immediately in the table column. Next, I have written a query to load drivers.csv data into temp drivers table. Now let's execute script. As you can see in query history, the table has been loaded. Since Hive is interactive, let's see if sample, we can pull out the sample. Yes, here we can see the sample, and that means the temp driver table is being loaded. Now if you see in file browser in the Cloudera, you won't be able to see the driver.csv because that is now being loaded in the temp driver table. Now if we want to see the content of temp drivers, we write the select star from temp driver query. Now if we run it and view the results tab, we can see the first few rows of the drivers.csv file. You can go down and view all the files. Now that we have learned how to read a data, we'll see how to extract the data. For this, we'll create a table called, we create a table called drivers, where we have 6 columns, name, driver ID, name, SSN, location, certified, and wage plan. Now let's execute this statement. As we can see, a table called drivers has been created. If you look in the sample, there is no data in it right now, but we have 6 columns ready over here. This is a query to extract data from 10 drivers and load it in drivers. We have used range expression in that. Let's execute. Let's execute it. As you can see, our query was a success. If you go to the drivers table and click on statistics, you will see the table is being populated. If I write select all queries on drivers, we would be able to see all the data. As we can see in the results window, we are able to capture all the data here. Similarly, we have created temp timesheet table, uploaded data from timesheet.csv in that table, created an empty table called timesheet, and then extracted data from temp timesheet to timesheet using range query. Now as we can see, our timesheet table is being created, and by clicking on statistics, we can see the table. Next, we will calculate the sum of hours logged and miles logged of a driver in that year. Here in this query, we are going to display driver ID, sum of hours logged and miles logged for that year. Let's run this query. As we can see in the results tab, we have driver ID, we have sum of hours logged and sum of miles logged. Now I want to display the name of driver, but the name of drivers is in driver table. Hence we use a join statement over here, which joins timesheet and driver. Let's execute this query. Now that our query has been run successfully, let's check out the results. Here we have driver ID, name, total hours and total miles. Let's summarize what we have done till now. We have created a table, created another table, we have extracted the data from one table to another. We have used queries like create, load, group by, select, on and join from my